I'm that bitch. Yeah.
Hey you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Zaahav again. Hey you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Zaahav again. So a couple weeks ago, I'd asked a few people to send me questions and I got quite the amount of questions. I also realized that I've never filmed an actual introduction video to this channel. I've never actually filmed the whole video talking about myself, introducing the channel and what I intend to do on this channel. And I know that this is really late, but better late than never. So today's video, I'm basically going to be telling you guys everything there is to know about me. But first of all, I'm gonna start off by saying my birth name is actually Gold, and Zaahav is just a derivative of gold. It is Hebrew and it's spelled Z-A-H-A-V, as the other A was just because, you know what, I ain't no basic bitch. I'm gonna start off with the questions and then I'll just move on from there, try to find a bearing from there. So one of the first questions that I got is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself being a badass data analyst. Like I said, I was going to use the questions to kind of find a bearing. For people that don't know, my educational background is in cloud computing for big data. I have experience in data analysis on the business intelligence side. That is my passion. That is something that I really love to do. I don't do it on the developer side because I don't enjoy that as much. So I don't exactly develop that skill. But if I have to, I will. The majority of my passion is in refining and visualizing data. So yeah, to answer that question, I do see myself as a badass data analyst. I do see my YouTube channel having grown to maybe 1 million subscribers, maybe more. I definitely see myself in a different space than this. I do want to have kids, so I probably have kids, probably married. If we're talking personal growth as well, I do see a lot of personal growth having been done. I do see a lot of mental growth, a lot of physical growth as well. I just see growth in general in all areas of my life. And that basically covers where I see myself in 5 years. The next question, the next one's actually not a question. It says your profile is great. Thank you. The next one is, please, we need more hair videos, and are we gonna get vlogs on your channel? Yes, you are gonna get vlogs. And as for the hair videos, I did just post one 3 days ago. Hopefully this video comes out very soon. So yeah, I did just post one about 3-4 days ago. I'll leave a link up there, right up there for you guys. And as for the vlogs, I did try to vlog Dubai. I'm gonna do whatever I can do in terms of editing that video for you guys, and I will post it. If it's not enough, then it's not gonna come out. I did just get a vlogging camera, actually. It's a Canon G7X Mark III. It's the new one and I'm so excited to use it. I like the quality of the camera, but with the whole coronavirus thing that's going on, I don't know how soon I'll start vlogging. And the next one is, I love your channel. What's your biggest vision for this year? My biggest vision for the year is, I do want to go back to work. I do want to work in my field. So I do hope to get a really good job as a data analyst. I want to improve myself in a work environment. I also want to see my channel grow. I want to see people grow with me, my friends and family as well. There are certain things that I'm currently working on that I'm probably not going to say on here, but a lot of growth has been scheduled for the year, and hopefully the coronavirus doesn't affect like a lot of my goals or steps or hopeful achievements. Yeah, so a lot of the growth I hope to happen this year are in my personal and my YouTube channel. And the next question is, when are you planning on getting married? Oh, this person actually asked 2 questions. When are you planning on getting married, or when are you getting married? And what is your best choice of income, job or business? Oh, I'm assuming this is because of the video I put out, which was more ways to make money. Okay, when do I plan on getting married? As far as marriage is concerned, I don't have a time frame. Like, I don't have a time when I want to be married. Marriage is something that I never really saw myself in as a child. Like I never used to want to get married, but now I'm only just open to it. So if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Like it's not something that I'm chasing after. Like I don't have a certain time frame that I want to be married, but I am open to it, you know. But it's like if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, you know. I'm not chasing after it. No, I'm more interested in my growth as a person. That is not to say I'm not a lover. Like I love very deeply. You know, if it does come, then it does come, and maybe it comes when I'm ready. I'll just go, God's time is the best. And the next question, what's your best choice of income, job or business? For me, I feel like it depends on the stage of life that you're in. So say you're like a CEO of a company and you have several businesses and you want to retire, you don't want to work say you're not even the CEO, say you work at a company at like a top level, but you want to retire, but you have several businesses. At that point, I feel like a business will be like the best source of income. But for someone who's just starting out, like a job is like the first thing you need to get to kind of get funds and capital and investments. The reason why I'm answering this question, not personally to me, is because like I kind of understand where this question is coming from. But if you're someone that the job you're getting is going to take too much of your time out of your passion, either find something that'll not take too much time out of your passion and try to fund your passion. And if it doesn't, then you need to pick one of those two things that matters the most to you at that time. I'm assuming that you pick up the job instead of the passion and drop the other one, and then whenever you have time for the other one, and you know, work, save that money, and then pick up your passion later on. But make sure you have funds to fund that passion, funds to drive that passion, funds to fuel that passion. Okay, the next question is, oh actually it's not a question, is that a perfect cleavage I see in an Igbo accent? Well, I guess it's perfect. It is perfect, isn't it? It is. But yeah, the picture I posted up was different from this one. So, but yeah, that's a perfect cleavage. That's a perfect one. Can we be close again? I miss you. I actually did answer this question already, and yes, we can definitely be close again. I do miss you a lot as well. I miss the times that we were close. So I'll DM you again because it's been a while. The next question is, first time I knew I was in love. I don't know. So I do remember the first person I ever loved, but I don't know when I knew I was in love with him. It was, I mean, other than family, of course. It was my first real relationship. It was interesting. I kind of liked this person, and I just kept going and just kept doing stuff for him. And then one day he said, I love you, and I knew I loved him instantly, and I was like, I love you too. Like, that's literally it. Like, that's literally all it was. The outfit is cute there. Anything you're not cool with in your outfit, I'm actually gonna find the picture, but I don't think I'd ever post a video of an outfit that I'm not comfortable with. Which of your friends' boyfriends have you slept with before? Holy moly, where's that coming from? What the hell? Okay, none. I'm not even friends with my friends' boyfriends. I don't do friendships or whatever with my friends' boyfriends. Never, ever, ever. I steer clear of them. And the next question is, will you marry me? Well, I barely know you, but sure. What's the one secret you don't want anyone to know? Either you've never told anyone or just a few know. I don't know. Except for YouTube, most people kind of know everything about me, either by just experiencing it or just being my best friend. My best friend knows everything, so there's really nothing. There's actually really nothing that no one shouldn't know. I mean, I'm scared of the dark. That's like the only thing I can actually think of. Yeah. Can you follow back my gift for Alright, I'll follow you back. And that's all the questions for today. So let's get into me telling you about myself. I already said it before, my name is Gold. Birth name is Gold, in case it's hard. That's my actual birth name. I'm 24 years old. I said it before, I'm scared of the dark. I'm terrified of the dark. I always sleep with my lights turned on.
Don't care, still don't care. I don't care. What'd you say? I just want to know what you said.
Terrified of the dark. I always sleep with my lights turned on.
I don't care.
And if you have a problem with it, please feel free to comment me in the comments. But be careful. I have a wild mouth too. Like, I'll hit you right back right where it hurts too. I'm Nigerian. There's really nothing else that I kind of really have to say about myself. But in terms of what this channel is about, I'm sure as most of you can already tell, it's mostly about hair, makeup, lifestyle is something that I'm gonna incorporate into this channel. I don't think I'll ever do a story time on this channel because I'm not the type of person to just be pouring my secrets out there. Other than that, my channel is basically going to incorporate everything: lifestyle, beauty, health. You know, I'm trying to dabble a bit in these things because they're sort of related. You're gonna see a lot of hair videos, you're gonna see a lot of makeup videos, you're gonna see a lot of vlogs in the future. You're probably gonna see me talk a lot about things, like just rant about like trending topics. You're gonna see a lot of challenges. You're gonna see more interesting stuff as time reveals itself. That being said, it is March of 2020. I know that everyone should be isolating at home. I know it's boring. Holy moly, it is boring to a fault. But I hope that everyone is staying safe. I hope everyone is sanitizing. I hope that everyone is self-isolating, social distancing, whatever you need to do to keep yourself safe. And to all those who already have the virus or have had the virus, I do wish you the quickest recovery. I hope you get out of it soon. I'm praying for you, and just turn to God and pray, and I pray healing on your lives. And that's basically it for my introduction video. I know this video is probably coming too late. It's what, 3 years late, but I hope you did enjoy it. Whatever you want to see on my channel, comment down below. Anything that you feel like you want to see more on my channel, that you feel like it's my strong suit, you want to see me do, comment down below. I'm open to suggestions, I'm open to criticism. So whatever you guys have for me, comment down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.